Hey everybody, I got a new mold, and this is a new dragon mold from Resin. I don't think it's one of those handcrafted molds. I think this is just their regular standard mold. I flipped it inside out so I could actually see where the dragon is. So that's the tail. And then over here, there it is. There's a wing right here. Let's see here. Wing. I think that's the head right there. It's a leg. And we come over here on this side. Same thing, leg, wing. So I'm going to do a little coloring, dusting with this Tiny Turner Nature. Stay tuned through the end of the video for the announcement of the 1,000 subs giveaway. I've got my, what do you call it? Resin. Over off to the side. It is heating up in my resin heater. You know what, if you have like a old baby bottle heater laying around, you could use that, not anymore for baby formula, but you can use it to heat up your resin bottles. And then after that, it is only used for your resin bottles thereafter. You know, just a little fun little fact there. I don't have babies, so I did not have one, so I had to buy the resin heater. All right, let's see if I can get this open. These things are so hard. There we go. You have to be so gentle to get them to open. All right. Got a little brush. Get some of the pigment on here. And then let's get to these wings right here. Pretty intricate. Lots of designs on it. And you may ask, what color am I backing this in? I am actually going to back it in black. This is a very soft, squishy mold, so hopefully that means it'll be easier to pull out when it's cured. So as I go through this, I will fast forward in bits and pieces so you don't have to sit and watch everything as I do this. Okay. That's all we're going to do with that. And I'm going to go pull out my Inferno now, and we're going to do that for the body. Let me give my brush a little wipe down. That's okay. Whatever goes down first on the mold is the color that's gonna shine through. So I do have some green already down on his snout, but that's okay. I don't actually mind that. This is part of the Friendship Express collabs on Saturdays and Sundays, hosted by Susie at Serendipity Creations. Tina at Pours Resin with Love, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, and Amy at Resonating Art by Amy. Check out the playlist below in the description. Ooh, I missed his wing over here. Okay, now we're going to go actually back to the nature so that we can get the wings. I know I said wings, I meant to say wing. Well, there's two of them. But these wings here. And we're going to give this a good cleanup before we pour any of the resin. Alright, I'm going to get this cleaned up. We are going to use some alcohol. Get that all cleaned up there. Little brushes and whatnot. And we will be back. Also baby wipes. As the resin's heating up, so here is our mold here. See, that's colored in. I didn't color in anything else other than what I didn't finish cleaning up around in there. Because my plan for this then is to take some of this wax and we'll go over those other raised filigree parts after it's all cured. So yeah, we'll get this one done. We'll get the black in here, and I might add a little bit iridescent something to that, but we'll be back in a minute when the resin's ready to pour. I'm not sure how much you saw of that. I just realized that it turned off on me, but we've got it filled to the top. Just tapping it, trying to get bubbles out of the top, out of the body in here. And hoping that we're not also going to flash cure. I just totally blanked on this big of a mold and using it all in one. So we're just going to babysit it here. Keep tapping, tap, 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 tap. Try to make sure you get bubbles out. All right, we'll be back on demold. All right, let us demold this guy here, but first, it is time to talk about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway time. So yes, I have reached 1,000 subscribers and I am doing a giveaway. Woohoo! So as you can see up on the screen here, we've got Bond Crafter, Create and Bloom, Resin Queen, and This and That Co. all willing to sponsor a giveaway for me. Bond Crafter, they are going to give one person a 16-ounce silicone rubber a set of 16-ounce non-stick Tapa Squishy, and a set of Fast Cure resin. Create and Bloom, this is for my subscribers that are not in the US, or she is going to do a $25 gift certificate to her website. Resin Queen is for US only, as well as This and That Co. And Resin Queen is going to put together a little mold package, send that to the winner. And This and That Co. is doing a $50 gift card to their website. So hopefully there's something in it for everybody. And I too am giving away something. I ordered a bit too much of a couple molds, and I got some extra mica powder and a couple other little things that I will throw in there too. So we're going to have 5 winners. And to be a winner, you will need to provide me with the country you reside in. And this is all via comment on this video. So the country you reside in. And 3 months ago, really going actually a little more than that, going back to Halloween, there was a Face Your Fears video. What was my fear? What fear did I have that I was facing? Just tell me that and the country you reside in, and you will be entered in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You must be a subscriber prior to the airing of this video to be able to enter this giveaway. This is not sponsored in any way by YouTube. This is sponsored by myself. You will have 1 week to get entries in as of Saturday, the 28th. No more entries after that date, and I will choose and post the winners on my video going live on Thursday, the 5th of March. Good luck, everybody! I'm going to take a little tape and get some of that resin up there off. A little cleaner. Given the fact that this is highly decorated, I assume that there's going to be many bubbles around everything. I was just giving this a little cleanup on the inside there, trying to remove some of the mica powder. So here is our little guy on this side, and there he is on that side. I think he's better looking on this side, but there's all that filigree. That's the word I was trying to think of. And then you can see, yeah, all these little tiny bubbles down around here. So I am going to put a glove on and our little paper towel. Just wanted to go over some of the filigree. This also could be used for Valentine's because I just realized it's a heart. Gonna get some cleanup of this too, so don't worry about where I'm going over in areas. Definitely gonna try to get that cleaned off. All right. There's that. Let's get this a little bit more up here. Next, we're going to try to clean off some of these areas where I obviously went over. And we'll try to get all that off. All right, well, I just took my black acrylic ink pen and I went over all the, or most of the black areas. I left some of them, so you can see it's still drying up here on the top. But yeah, I actually like how it looks. And so thank you all for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. That would be helpful for my channel. And I want to know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you think I should have done something different? Let me know. Just be nice. And, you know, I appreciate all of you. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking your time, subscribing to my channel, and watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, think about it. It's free and it's a good way to help my channel. You can click the QR code up here or down below in the description. You can click on that subscribe button. I do have memberships. If you want to support my channel further, it's $3.99 a month. Everything made through memberships or buy me a coffee or Amazon wishlist, they all come back into the channel to help me purchase more supplies. With that, thank you all again. Stay tuned for the beauty shots, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
A drip, a drop, a dash of hue. I craft, I dream, the world feels new.